What's that noise? Watch the story. Rufus was a country dog. He lived with his family near quiet green fields and long dirt roads. Huh? But one day, Rufus and his family moved to the city. Rufus needed to learn to be a city dog. Cool! Rufus learned one thing about the city right away. The city was loud. Rufus heard locks click, elevators ding, horns honk, trash cans bang, trains roar, sirens screech. Wow, 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 wow! Rufus couldn't sleep. His family gave him a new bed, but Rufus wanted earplugs.